Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. First, I would like to thank Altos for providing this review unit. This is Altos and this is what they have to offer. Anyway, before we proceed, check the description below to see all that. Before I proceed with the unboxing, let's see what the device is all about from their website. Apart from offering worldwide shipping, it's a personal device dedicated to maintain your brain performance, meaning it focuses on your well-being and also productivity as a whole. It monitors air composition around you and letting you know what is the level of CO2 concentration. This will let you know if the environment is good for productivity or not. They also have an app for Android as well as iOS. They offer this device in different color options. There is information on different situations on which you can use the device, whether working out or sleeping. What really impressed me is the battery life that is rated up to 6 months. This is an approximation, but it's a good thing that you don't have to charge this device on a daily basis. We can also see some frequently asked questions as well as price. With all that being said, let's unbox the unit and see what stuff is included in the package. As usual, the necessary paperwork is included, like user manual and information about the product. To be honest, it will be helpful to just get the basics out of the way before using the gadget. A USB Type-C to C cable is included. I'm actually glad to see it uses USB Type-C. We get a red strap, which I think is standard for whatever color you choose. The material though is pretty good. We also get a metal buckle so that it's possible to hang it on your backpack if needed. Finally, we get the gadget itself. We have a tiny LCD screen to see the necessary data. We have the charging port at the bottom, while the power button is located at the top of the device. The material used seems durable. It's hard plastic. I wish the LCD was backlit so that you can view the data at night, but I guess you have to use the app. Speaking of the app, you can use Android or iOS app to see detailed information. The overall pairing process is easy, and once everything is set, you can view the necessary information. We have the CO2 concentration, we have the temperature reading, noise levels, and humidity. It's awesome to see there's a new firmware. The battery life should be great. You don't have to charge it on a daily basis as earlier mentioned. With 44%, you have roughly 2 months of usage. As per the graph shown, we can see there's a high concentration of CO2 where I am filming. But let me take it outside and see if there's any change. Moving outside where there's fresh air, the CO2 concentration decreases and the score rises to 7. This shows that once in a while we should open the windows to allow oxygen to increase, which in turn increases brain productivity. Before I end this review, you can also add widgets to your home screen. So if you have the money and productivity is a priority, then it's a great gadget to own. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.